Hello and welcome to Lok Talks. This is Dr. Lukesh Bhatia. Today I'll be talking to you about a topic which has been very frequently being reported in our OPD nowadays, and that is avascular necrosis of the hip joint, AVN hip joint. So, AVN, avascular necrosis, is the commonest problem. The AVN affects more commonly in the hip joint. So, hello and welcome to Lok Talks, and this is the video on demand of many of my patients, known to patients, and this is a serious condition that affects the hip joint. Let's explore its symptoms, its causes, and treatment options. I'm making this separate video in English and Hindi so that a lot of mess up which happens because of the language issues will not take place. This topic is being separately discussed in both the languages. Avascular necrosis is the condition where the blood flow to a part of the bone is reduced, causing the bone tissue to die. This condition most commonly affects the hip joint. The AVN appears as it appears in the picture here. The symptoms of AVN in the hip joint include pain in the thigh, hip, buttocks, difficulty in walking, running, stiffness in the hip, swelling in the joint. So these symptoms may appear and disappear occasionally for a short period of time. The causes of AVN include the bone injury, the fracture of the neck of femur, the excessive alcohol supply, the excessive alcohol consumption, steroid injections, as in COVID. Many in COVID period, lot of patients had to be given steroid injections. So the steroid administration is one of the very high chances of risk factors in resulting in AVN. There are other common causes also. There are some rare causes also. I will be putting up the full list on the screen, which will help you to understand, to relate yourself what is applicable to you. So reduced blood supply to the bone is the commonest pathology, and you can see from the screen what the things can be applicable to you. If AVN is not treated in time, it can lead to the collapse of the bone and breakdown of the hip joint. The manifestation, the pain, the stiffness happens because of the secondary osteoarthritis developing because of that. The progression remains untreated. AVN can appear in very deformed manner and can result in the progressive significant disability. The treatment for AVN is depending on the stage and the severity of the condition. The options include the pain relieving medications, the physical physiotherapy, surgical procedures include the core decompression and bone grafting, or the core decompression may not help in the later stages. The initial stages, it only helps in the third and fourth stage, which can be diagnosed on the x-rays. That only can be treated by full joint replacement surgery. So this all has to be understood very well. The treatment depends on the staging. An early stage can be managed by conservative means, conservative surgery of core decompression, and the later stages it definitely needs. The staging can be done more properly by a combination of X-rays and MRI. A healthy lifestyle, including regular exercises, a balanced diet, and avoiding excessive alcohol intake can help in the prevention of avascular necrosis. So this is a very short and minimum information which any layman which will need to understand about this particular problem. If there are any specific questions relating to this, you can always ask me in comment box. I can try to cover up in my next follow-up video. You definitely need to consult an orthopedic surgeon to whomsoever you can develop faith in, any nearby good hospital of great repute in your area, and you will need to get this problem addressed too. In earlier stages, it definitely has got many options. but in later stages means something which has already started appearing on the X-rays, then it definitely is in third and fourth stage. That stage has got option as the best one is in long run, which is going to help you, is total joint replacement. All right. Thank you very much. All the best. Take care. Do subscribe Globe Talks and make sure if you liked it, hit on the like button. Thank you very much. See you in next video.